In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save PDF from Adobe Photoshop. Easy method. Let's get right into it. Start by opening your design or image in Photoshop. When you're ready to make a PDF, head up to the File menu. Depending on your version, you'll either choose Save a Copy or Save As. In newer versions, Save a Copy is often the safest option when exporting to formats like PDF because it leaves your working file intact while creating a separate version. In the dialog that appears, look for the Format dropdown and select Photoshop PDF. Pick a clear file name and choose a destination folder you'll remember. Good naming helps you keep track, especially if you'll export multiple versions for print and web. Click Save to continue. Photoshop will open the Save Adobe PDF dialog, which is where the real control lives. At the top, choose an Adobe PDF preset. High quality print is a reliable pick for crisp output while keeping the file manageable. If you need a lighter file to email or upload, smallest file size can help, though it will compress images more aggressively. For professional print workflows, a press-oriented preset may be appropriate if your printers request it. Under General, set PDF compatibility to a version your audience or printer can open without issues. If you see Preserve Photoshop editing capabilities, enabling it lets you reopen the PDF in Photoshop with layers and effects intact, but it makes the file larger. Turn it off if you only need a final lightweight PDF. Move to compression to control size and clarity. Downsampling reduces image resolution. For high-quality print, 300 ppi is a common target, while for on-screen viewing, lower settings can be fine. Adjust the JPEG quality slider to balance sharpness and file size. Higher quality looks better but weighs more. Next, check the output section for color handling. If you're sharing a digital PDF, converting to sRGB and embedding the profile keeps colors consistent across screens. For print, follow your printer's guidance. Many prefer leaving the document in its designed color space or converting to their specified profile. Embedding the profile helps maintain predictable color. If you need protection, open the security options to add a password or restrict printing and editing. Only use this if you truly need it, and keep passwords secure. Once everything looks good, click Save PDF. If Photoshop warns you about editing capabilities, review your choices and confirm. That's it. Your PDF is now created, ready to share, view, or send to print. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.